Good morning, Olivia. Look what Grandma's got today. So I thought we'd read it. Glasses on. We do it a lot, don't we, when you're here with Grandma? Row, row, row your boat. So, the first page. Ready? Ooh, let's see if we can see the words. And Grandma's got to read them too. Ready? Row, row your boat gently down the back. Grandma's going to have to read the book first. Row, row, row your boat gently down the brook. If you catch a little fish, let it off the hook. So, those are the words. Row, row, row your boat gently down the brook. If you catch a little fish, let it off the hook. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the brook. If you catch a little fish, let it off the hook. Oh, there's Teddy, the two teddies, and a little doggy in the boat. Right, page 2. Oh, look at this. We've got a little Libby, like Great Grandma had. A little Libby dog. Oh, and that looks to me like a crocodile. So this is paddle, paddle, paddle your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ready? Ooh. Paddle, paddle, paddle your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! I hope you're enjoying this. I am. Right, next page. Oh, it's Gigi's boat. Look, 2 bears in the boat. And this one says, sail, sail, sail your boat out into the bay. If you see a pirate ship, sail the other way. Okay, sail, sail, sail your boat out into the bay. If you see a pirate ship, sail the other way. Ready? Sail, sail, sail your boat out into the bay. If you see a pirate ship, sail the other way. Oh, look at all the bears. How many bears can you count? 1, 2, 3. Correct. Next page. Ooh, what's that? That looks like a big lion to me. And this one says, sail, sail, sail your ship safely to the shore. If you see a lion there, don't forget to roar. Bet Harry will like that. Roar. Okay, we'll start again. Here we go. Sail, sail, sail your ship safely to the shore. If you see a lion here, don't forget to roar. How many teddies can you see on that boat? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last page. I think we know the words on this one. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a dream. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is all a dream. Oh, and how many bears here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there's a little Libby dog here. What else have we got? Oh, a dog here. And we got a duck. And what have we got here? Penguins. 1, 2, 3. So should we finish off with this one again? row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a dream. Oh! Well, I hope you've enjoyed that today, Olivia, and maybe Harry too. I'm off to see great grandma now. Anyway, lots of love.